1st of July, and it's gonna be our pre-market. I really have a good pre-market condition, unless we take it out right now. But I am definitely leading bearish because we are delivering from this 4-hour gap, failed to inverse it. We're currently in a two higher time bearish, higher time frame PD raise, but we already had a manipulation on this high right here, on this 830 high, because we got a receipt of that, but we still have an unfilled 15-minute gap here. So, which is our relative equal highs. I want the market open to manipulate higher so that we can go lower, maintaining these equal lows, but we might take it out now. And what's going to happen is going to have a long towards this 30-minute gap, which should open in 3 minutes. Yeah. But yeah, clear target here, equal highs from this displacement candle. I don't even know. I call it data highs, but there's not really news on that. But it's a clear target if we ever manipulate first. But if you manipulate higher, I want to see some rejection off of this to go lower. Well, right now we're creating LRs, bro. I would love to see this remain as LRs for market open. Peace. And but if we do the opposite thing, we can go lower and then higher. But right now, we have this equal highs now. So it's just really clear conditions. If you take this out now and we take this on market open, I want to take longs. But if you're having strong spacing to the downsides, looking like we're going to take this until 15-minute gap inside this 4-hour gap, and then gonna find continuation off of it. So just clear conditions, not too much like, all right, we just take this out and just will have pure bullishness. It's my condition, or even this, if I'm not able to take any entry on this leg, which I don't think would happen. Now we take it out, giving us an SMT off of this low, technically. So let's see here. But we created perfect equal highs on the 15-minute gap as well for longs. So we'll see. Guess we can just reject off of this and market open, like maybe a receipt or something, or just gonna flush to this 15-minute gap because I don't really want to see us lower. We're already in the CE. I'm like taking the um internal of the internal. It's like 4 hour, then there's instead of 4 hours an hourly, then there's a 15-minute attached to it. So yeah, let's see this. Because this one right here will now be a 30-minute gap, and also until 15-minute. I mean 15-minute intermediate high. There's no 30-minute that can be formed here. But there was already a manipulation higher, so we can probably just dump here. Let's market open, boys. Let's get it. See what we do. Okay, I think we're just gonna flush lower. Okay, I'm gonna take this 15-minute gap. Are we gonna get reversal off of it? What is this lag? Do you understand? What is the morning? What is this? 30. Yeah, that's a perfect stop if you can get this. Did you take it? Alright, we took it. Let's get the 15-second inversion off of this. Oof. What? 1,000? Come on. Wow. That 15 was so clean, dog. Clean BE point as well. What you mean? And it was even 1,000. For me, that was so clean. Honestly, I don't know how did that fail. It was the clearest of the cleanest that I could think. You don't, bro, that 15-second was so clean. We even created like a really good break-even spot, which is on that 1 minute. But we ended up just flush and became a 50-point stop. Initially, it was a 30, but since it was like rejecting, and I know I'm gonna get stopped that right away, but I'll save myself a bit there. I can get another entry. We're gonna only have a 200 point shit left before we bank our daily loss stuff. All right, I guess we're just gonna be bearish here, or maybe go to this 5 minute. Oh man, it was a lot clearer when I was there because I was holding the bullish resonance. It's got 15 seconds clean. Look at that displacement. For me, it's a good loss. Usually on a typical day, I would have displaced cleanly, bro. We already took the low, so this long could work. definitely. So now we took this low on NQ. I mean, yeah, just a decent low, unless we want to go lower and lower and lower. And this makes things a little bit more clear. You just need clear rejections, I guess. The golden tap. You get the golden tap. Golden tap. Can we get the golden reversal of this? Golden reversal. Golden reversal. No, they're not. I thought we were gonna have a golden reversal. Oh shoot. Hmm. But honestly, guys, I have 100% conviction on that long. If that's within my conditions, and it looks so clean. It's not like felt like it. I forced it. No, none of that. That she was, happened pretty fully, if I might say. We can still take something as long as we're not gonna have any drawdown on it, and still bank. I don't know why my NQ is lagging or whatever. We can take as long if we can get the 1 minute off of this. But yeah, we'll see. Still have 30 seconds, and I want to see this 15-second hold. It will propel us higher, giving us the long setup. So we already hit the golden R, the golden R. Nah, it's a like, I'm gonna reverse off that golden R. Yeah, it's gonna reverse off of that golden R. Okay, I guess we're gonna go lower now. Off of this like 15 minute. Yeah, we already tapped EQ and the golden R. I want them to inverse both at the same time, so it's just a lot clearer. We're gonna open a 5 minute as well. Now I'm gonna just chill out. I want to see this 5 minute as a bearish condition, so we can go lower onto this sell sell liquidity. Yeah, that's better. Let's wait a minute. All right, guys, we hit the 5 minute now. I mean, we open a 5 minute. I want to see this 5 minute tap to go lower because we definitely still have draws lower. Just finish us outside of the curve because we failed to distribute on the reversal. So let's see if we can get some sort off of this, something like that. Gotta just fully flush it. That's what I want to see. It's much better if we can tap the five. Okay, the 5 minutes has been tapped. It's much better if we dig in a little bit more and get inversion off of it. We still only like pretty much 5 minute leg. Got a tap CE there. We just need like a 30-second inversion off of this and we're good. It's better if we keep holding the 1 minute. We can't have a 30-second inversion. 15 is so little. Like, it's not even, it's not the clearest. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait here. It's also a 3 minute tap, 5 minute tap, and the structure is just pretty much just pretty bearish. It's a really bearish structure. And is a little bit higher. Want that VC off a bit. Because there's really not clean structure to start off of this either. Like honestly, Asia session and London session are just a lot better, bro. Not gonna lie. Because I got I think a setup on London twice or thrice today. Really easy. You know, NQ got mobbed in the first minute. Come on. Getting some displacement lower, but I'm not getting any inversion off of it. I mean, there's just this little 15-second level. I need something clear. This ain't clear, but for me, this was really clear. But we got mobbed, like seriously mobbed. So it's like a really, really mogger. This is within my rules, by the way. So I got really no issue. I used a wider stop. That's not inside my rules. Yeah, it's not within my rules. Yeah, that's just what's up. If this flushes, that's crazy. No, we're still holding it, the level, which is crazy. I don't know how and why. It's just this 15-second gap that I saw, and we gotta break it now. So you're still oh, okay. You're getting mobbed if you started that. Ooh, mob or short. 5 minute RB tap. Easy. Tap the RB, then we're flushing. I guess that's a meta now. There's a meta for 15 second over here. All right, if you're doing that strategy, long now. You peep, you peep, you peep. It's not really clear shit here. Yeah, I'll just chill off. I don't see anything in this thing. Okay, for those people who do this strat, perfect. Um, got the mother of the nation. Yeah, that's a trade that I would do. I would have do. I would do if I did take a long. But obviously, I really wanted the shorts. But then 5 minute RB tap is great. I'd rather just get short off a bit on the 30 second though. Finish the 30 second, and I want to short that because this is a 5 minute intermediate high now. Intermediate term high, but we're just flopping off. Like, what if I entered here? Yeah, I wouldn't get stopped that though. How much would it be up? 60, 240 points, 50 at peak. So I'm gonna watch this 30 second. If it's a really good terminator, if we're gonna flip order flow or not. Are we just gonna remain bullish here or we're not? It's like that. But we're gonna open in 1 minute now, so it's not a huge deal. It actually flushed. Insane. That is insane. Flushy flushed. It did flushed. Off of that 15 second ICG. If you do that, you probably say I did enter here. 160, 150. Yeah, I'm good. If you can get the 1 minute though. We're going towards I think the 5 minute now, because the 30 minutes still unmitigated. That still could be a draw here. If we can get through every piece of it here. This one will close, the 5 minute will close so soon. The 3 minute also pretty much almost closed. So actually there's a longable place. Pretty longable place if you want. So you can get the 5 minute. And if you're right, it's gonna just deliver, right? Yeah, 5 minute, we'll close in a minute. So it's like 3 minute gap on it. It's not gonna close quite yet. You know, it's gonna give signs and wonders. It's just the sign of reversal. If this holds, the 950 should be the gank here. Should be the banker. Should be the banker. If this reverses, I mean, if this holds, if this one money holds, that just means we're not gonna go higher. Visibly, the thing here. Are we gonna get the 5 minute close? Are we gonna get the 5 minute close? Are we gonna get the 5 minute close? Okay, the 1 minute became indecisive. If I'm indecisive, man, it's strong enough. But I want to see more, something a little bit more clear. The 30 second was clear. I think this one would make it even clearer. Clearer, clearer. And on this RB, let's see if we can get a retrace. 60 point stop. Or we're just gonna flush. As soon as this 5 minute gets taken out, I'm out. We're gonna get retraced. Can we get retraced, guys? I don't know. As soon as this high gets taken out, it's not a place where we're gonna anticipate any sort of retraces anymore. But yeah, entering out of this 3 minute IVG. Okay. We can wait off out of this sweep of this and the 1 minute gap. Can you sweep it and get some longs off of it? If it's an equal high, I doubt you're gonna do bad things on that. Just retrace on this. Can you retrace on that NASDAQ? This would be a really nice place to retrace if you want to. A really nice place to retrace. Let's try buy limit there. As soon as this high is still not taken out, this buy limit here is doing good. Okay, we took it out. Dang. I mean, I'm not taking this long though. What is that? I mean, the 40 points, shit, but you need to stop the break even. I mean, stop trying to break even. Quite stressful as well. If you didn't just flush. But we're so close right now. Yeah, I gotta. Still unclear. Um, but I like this range right here. If you can get a trade on that. Hmm. It's really. What if I could? I just really literally did this. Oh, what limit was I looking for? It was this limit, right? Let's see. There's gonna be a 10 a.m. open as well, which could be wonders. 5 minute. Yeah, that one could do wonders. Just keep this draws over here. What if the 10 a.m. open would just go low and high goes like? Yeah, 32.45. Wala nagre-reject. Ang 10 a.m. open na to. GG's kasi news kung magkataon. Kasi kung hindi mo rin ito, it's inverse, but it's not smooth. Kumbaga lang yung ito-chop mo na siya. Well, guys, that's actually insane. That actually banked. That actually printed this thing that I was talking about. Where was that? The 15 second over here. Oh my gosh, it actually printed. What in the world? That thing printed, dog. That thing printed like it was nothing. Crazy. But we gotta take this highs first. It doesn't change. You still have to take the high for me to take anything off of it. Um, that was crazy. It actually bankrolled. I think, yeah, that would have banked us to me as well. Because where's that? To have a really tight stop there, right? Yeah. If I entered, let's say, on this candle right here with my stops, I think 10 points. So let's say here, 240, 230, yeah, something like that. I don't want to take shorts off of here though. There's triple equal highs. I want to see longs here, not shorts. Triple equal highs with a 30-minute gap on top. I don't want to short that. I mean, I understand there's a 5 minute gonna open here. I mean, just open here. But it's not a valid point to short though. Exactly, that's why it held. Now we get longs off of towards that high, right? Now we get longs towards that high. We get a clean one, clean one, clean one. And then it's just flushes. It doesn't think about anything. These are triple, quadruple equal highs. Cannot take. Come on. That is crazy, but the 30-second held, so ooh. I mean, I don't really know. I don't even know what Enki's doing. You know, I just know it's on something. It's on something right now. It's on something. I'll tell you that. Yeah, short this, bro. Pattern change works well, not pattern change don't work now. Short this pops here. Just this. Yeah, there you go. You lose. Now we're gonna get longies. 'Cause, bro, I'm not shorting until this quadruple equal high gets taken out, bro. Seriously. If this quadruple equal high isn't taken out, I'm just not shorting it. I'm not shorting it. Off the day to get this 15 second. Oh, wait. It's a clean 15 second, bro. Okay, hold that RB. That's CE. The flush. I just want to clear 15. Okay? Go low, then this should be a displacement candle giving like a CASD. That's what I want to see here. Just a follow through, bro. Follow through. Quad low through. Just like a follow. Oh, man. It ain't gonna work today. It ain't gonna work today, bud, because we're getting literally short setup. It's not working, bud. Triple equal highs. All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you. All right. Thank you. What do we do here? I mean, we can mark this 5 minute maybe. This one maybe a break even spot. If we're gonna get shorts, but I don't even want to short it. I'll be honest with you, dog. I'd rather see a, I'd rather short from there. Okay, we swept the 3 minute. Maybe this one now works. Yeah, we're also gonna get 30 seconds ASD. Ooh, it's also actually pretty clean. Can we just flush there? No retrace. 287, 277. We just want to flush there, guy. Just a flush. Come on, I just wanted a flush. Come on. And I think that's gonna work. We got the flush, but I'm not in there. I'm not in there no more. Alright, it's really gonna stop me out no matter what. Alright, it's fine. Because that wick right there would have stopped me out. Anyways. So it's not the type of flush I wanted to see, but it got the job done. And the ESR also take up, so I think that was a valid BE. So if we're gonna get longs here, um, pretty valid. But I want to get a retrace onto some sort of gaps first. ES is moving like it is madman. And then Q's like, yeah, just stay there. Thank you, like, thank you so much. Thank you, delivery of thank you. Doing nothing. So at least right now we have SMT after this. Or we're gonna take it out. That was so chopped up. That was so chopped up. What was that delivery? I just wanted to pump, pump, pump. Then I'm gonna getting like 100 points. And just be done of the day. Alright, we take it now. We take it now, take it now. So we tap it. Are we gonna get like reversals off of this? But bro, ES is like reversal who? I'm just cooking. I'm just starting. This one is the real deal. There's just like an internal higher. You don't really have anything off of it. I mean, to and take shorts off of it. I'd rather see longs. Still right now, kind of trying to feel longs. Is there anything clear? I mean, it's a 15 second here, but it's not really clear. I'd rather see like a 30 second. Let's see if this holds. If this holds, then definitely there's a 30 second here as well that we could take out. But looking at ES, we're just so bullish. Because hourly didn't, I mean, we cannot really tell the moment. It's not getting the job done for that boy. It's pretty chopped up. Why even, and New York second one. It's like Asia. I'm seeing Asia here. It's gonna be my final condition today. If none, it's gonna be a payday. I want to see the CE if the hourly get hit. Or maybe we're gonna have to set up now. We're gonna have to set up now. Oh my gosh, that is a pump. Come on. All right. Give me the hourly. The 1 minute IVG here. We also had the 30. What was that pump? I'm gonna short this if we get the hourly. What was that? That was insane. Um, just long this towards the CE. I was just about to speak. I want a rejection on the CE to go lower, and simultaneously 15 minutes hits that. Ooh. This one is actually a decent entry if you did enter here at this level. Can we go buy limit here? Oh, wait, 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 wait. Now it's reversing. If ES doesn't hit this, I'm not shorting it. I want ES to hit that. What is this? I don't even know what's happening. It's like inverse off of inverse off of inverse off of inverse off of inverse. And it started dumping and then dumping. What in the world? I don't know. I would like to short this. It's just, if I get the amount of risk I put, but I really want to see this 15-minute gap gets taken out first, hit as well as hitting that C of that hourly at the same time. Like a resweep on this high, then well, then I'm bearish. Then I'm bearish. 100%. That's what I wanted to see. Can we get that? Like if I can get even inversion off of here, that is a long signal. But yeah, it's definitely shortable, but I don't think my stops could handle it. I can only get 10 points. And I'm stopped out if I was there. How long off of this you can get tapped on that BPR? If not, I'm not gonna have an entry. It's currently 3 minute here. I don't it's not like flashy. But this 30 second is gonna be a clear long signal. If I was in earlier, that 30 second is a clear um BE signal. Didn't get a retrace here. Could have been in longs. Resweep then long. Resweep then long. If you can have that. Resweep then long. Resweep then long. Long, 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 long. Hold the 30. Hold the 30, dog. Hold the 30. What is this? I'm not gonna look at the lower time frame. Because the lower time frame is gonna make me overthink about shit. Okay. See if we can get long here. Because if you're gonna get inversion here, it's definitely shorts. We're gonna wipe the eating LR. That's how easy I'm talk when you talk to me. The 30 seconds still failed, so it's either gonna get long here or short here. Yeah. Bye there. Sell stops over here. Okay, I'm done today. I am done on the day. I have to add modules. Modules. I think it's accounts. Positions, maybe here. Or not positions. Yeah, accounts. Yeah. It's like pure top work. I have like big L's, then mad shorties. Mm. So yeah, there's really none uh I really like. Guess yeah, let's sell market there. go buy stop there. Because I don't really want to see any top work here. So it's just gonna go up or it's gonna go down. Then I'm going break even when this thing gets hit. What? I was about to go break even. Anyways, I don't really like any of this no more. Shit, the drawdown. That is crazy, 250. So we're back to micros, I guess. Um, yeah. Merc EM is not really working well right now. I think the play it has to be other sessions maybe. Like, what is this? Even yesterday was what is this? It's really crazy. Um, I mean, we could get entries, but they're not really high quality like light bulb. Like this thing, yeah. This amount of drawdown I have, so it means that I can have a 24-point stop on 5 micros. Or basically 20-point stop on micros. Pretty much that. Um, Apart from that, what the trades I took today? It took a 15 second. For me, that loss was a huge loss, but it was S plus setup. I won't trade that for anything. Plus this one, really, really clear inversion. Boom, this one right here. And then we got what else? What's my next entry? I think it was now, right? It was here. Oh, I longed and we got break even, so technically not really that purposeful. Then got the last trade here. That was the last one. I shorted. What? How many entries did I have in total? I don't even know. Three. Okay. I just went on micros for that trade. Because this one I got hit break even right away. This one actually should have been a break even. Because I was about to go break even. Like you could see me pulling, then it suddenly just pump up and it kind of break even on me. Apart from that, it's pretty much that, guys. Really S plus. Apart from this drop. This one is S plus for me.